Everyone, André, the Brazilian shaver, aka Barba Tradicional, here to show what has just arrived from the mail, which is the newest release from Parker. This is an open comb version that should deliver a little bit more of a blade feel, a little bit more efficiency, but still it's an adjustable razor just like the variant. So you can see this on the bottom where you can see the actual setting, and by unscrewing the knob you can adjust, but also you can release the top cap to insert the blade. You see here on the base there's a little line as well as on the top cap, and in the other side you don't find that. So that's the correct way to assemble, and then you just screw back in till the end. Just make sure you don't over tighten it, and then now you're ready to adjust. So when you start, this is a setting, basically setting number 1, and then when you start losing the screw, you reach up until adjustment number 5. So what will happen, it will work on the elevating the gap blade here. Comparing to the previous, to the original Parker variant, you can see they are very similar, but by the touch, I'm rubbing here the handle and I kind of feel that the open comb has a more distinct knurling. I feel more of the knurling, and I think also the knurling, the drawings, those diamonds, those triangles here, seem to be a little bit bigger in the open comb version than the other. And on the bottom, I see the difference of the open comb being like vertical stripes, and the variant is like this diamond shaped. So this is it. Apart from that, the dimensions, the weight, the length, it's everything the same. The difference is in the head itself. And if you want to try it out, just go to the link below and pick one up. If you do that, you will also support the channel, it would be fantastic. And stay tuned on the channel to see those babies in action, maybe a head-to-head comparison. Let me know if you want to see that, and I'll see you next time.